Many people think like welding is only combining two metals and weld. For sure that's not gonna work. Even if it looks like clever ideas, it's wrong. You see, there are still holes in. But here is strategy. First make her two side with parallel point. And then make reference circles, then take action. And you see it looks good. This the difference. The first looks bad with holes not connected well, but the second one looks super cool. Take a piece of filler metal and tack weld it to one side of the tube. This reduces the wide opening to a manageable size. Once the gap is narrowed, immediately weld the remaining space without the extra filler metal to fuse the joint. Thoroughly remove the surface of the weld material, grind it down. This ensures proper structural integrity and prepares the metal for the next layer. Apply an additional layer of welding over the first. Clean the joint again, removing any remaining slag or oxidation. This results in a high-quality, professional finish. Welding metals with cylindrical edges is not easy work. You can think that when you weld as it is I can work, but it will not be strong for a while. Here is strategy that gonna work. First, sharpen the edge of one material as well as it looks like there is big change so that there will be space available. Place stick metals over the edge so that when between two metals should exist space for mold and welding. Once finishing point both sides, it is a time to weld where I am going to weld whole space. So after welding first layer, it is good to smoother and remove welded waste, preparing for next layer. Then it is a time to add the next layer for strong and wheel welded metals. After all, it is good to clean it well because it looks good. Welding dissimilar metal sizes is often more complex than it appears. Simply adjusting your welding position may not solve the issue or improve the final result. However, when you apply precision layout and calculations, a complicated task becomes significantly easier. By using a marking pen and a 90-degree square, you can achieve exact measurements to execute a superior fit-up strategy. While this technical process may seem labor-intensive or difficult at first, you must trust the procedure, as it ensures high-quality results. Once you master this technique, it can be integrated into your daily fabrication workflow. Furthermore, you must maintain strict safety protocols when handling metal and operating machinery to prevent workplace accidents. Following this method ensures the joint is well fused and the dimensional accuracy is perfect. There are two primary strategies to consider. Strategy 1 focuses on precision layout. Strategy 2 is a simplified alternative to the first. As the fabricator, you have the discretion to choose the technical approach that best suits your specific work requirements. In everything you do in life and in your career, it is essential to know whether your work meets the standards of others. Standards are not created to limit people, they exist to guide you toward quality, professionalism, and safety. They help you understand the level of performance expected in your profession and what is considered acceptable. When your work meets recognized standards, it shows that you are serious, responsible, and committed to doing things correctly. It also demonstrates respect for your profession and the people who rely on your skills. In real life, you will often encounter individuals who are more skilled, more experienced, or more advanced than you. This is a natural part of professional growth. Instead of feeling discouraged, it should motivate you to learn and improve. Observing how these individuals work, understanding their methods, and reflecting on their approach allows you to enhance your own abilities. By learning from others, you can see where your skills may need improvement and identify which strategies are most effective. Meeting international standards is particularly important in technical fields like welding. These standards ensure safety, quality, and consistency. Following them means that your work is recognized and trusted not just locally but globally. International standards serve as benchmarks, giving you the ability to work across different industries and countries. Achieving these standards takes time, patience, and practice, but it is a critical step toward becoming a respected professional. In addition, learning from others helps you understand the connection between different strategies. In welding, for example, many methods are interconnected. Mastering one technique makes learning others easier. Beginners benefit from observing and imitating skilled professionals, while experts continue to refine their knowledge. In every stage of your career, there is always something to learn. Continuous learning and comparison. A step-by-step learning approach is critical. Beginners should focus on mastering basic techniques before attempting advanced methods. Over time, small, consistent improvements accumulate into strong skills and deep knowledge. Each task, from aligning joints to controlling heat, requires attention to detail. Even small mistakes can compromise safety and quality. Professionals learn that success comes not from rushing but from careful, deliberate practice. Paying attention to every strategy you encounter, no matter how simple it seems, is crucial. Beginners can learn proper habits and safety protocols early, while experts continue to refine techniques and correct subtle errors. Continuous learning ensures that you remain competent, adaptable, and prepared for new challenges. Practical experience reinforces theoretical knowledge. Real-world welding requires applying strategies under different conditions. New materials, difficult angles, or tight deadlines. Understanding how strategies interact in practice enhances skill and confidence. Mistakes are opportunities for reflection, improvement, and problem solving. By combining observation, practice, and reflection, professionals develop mastery that extends beyond simple technical skill. Consolidating these strategies also strengthens decision-making and adaptability. Professionals who understand how different techniques connect can adjust methods to suit the project requirements. This integration of skills leads to efficiency, quality, and safety, and is a critical part of building a lasting professional reputation. Technical skill alone is not enough to responsibility, and professional mindset are equally important. Ethics in welding involves honesty, integrity, and accountability. Professionals must follow standards, avoid shortcuts, and report mistakes when they occur. Cutting corners may save time temporarily but can cause accidents, failures, and long-term damage to your reputation. Ethical professionals build trust with employers, colleagues, and clients, which strengthens career opportunities. Responsibility means understanding that every project affects safety and outcomes. Whether constructing a bridge, repairing machinery, or creating industrial equipment, the quality of your work impacts others. Responsible professionals plan carefully, execute with precision, and inspect their work thoroughly. They anticipate potential problems and take proactive measures to ensure safety and quality. A professional mindset involves more than following rules. It includes dedication to growth, continuous learning, and self-discipline. Professionals who cultivate a strong mindset remain resilient under pressure, adapt to new challenges, and strive to improve constantly. They understand that every project, challenge, and decision is an opportunity to grow and demonstrate competence. Leadership and mentorship are extensions of this mindset. Skilled professionals guide and teach others, helping beginners learn techniques, avoid mistakes, and develop confidence. Mentoring also reinforces the mentor's skills, sharpens judgment, and ensures knowledge is passed on. A strong professional identity is shaped by competence, ethics, responsibility, and the ability to inspire others through example. By combining ethics, responsibility, and a professional mindset, individuals not only maintain high standards but also build a career marked by trust, respect, and long-term success. These qualities distinguish professionals who excel consistently from those who are merely skilled. In every profession, change is over time. Professionals who stop learning risk falling behind. Lifelong learning ensures that you remain relevant, adaptable, and competitive. It includes updating technical skills, adopting new technologies, and understanding evolving standards. Curiosity, experimentation, and reflection are essential for professional growth. Adaptability is a key trait for long-term success. Professionals often face unfamiliar challenges. new materials, difficult projects, or unexpected conditions. Those who can adjust quickly without compromising safety or quality stand out. Adaptable professionals integrate experience, knowledge, and observation to solve problems effectively. Continuous improvement is closely linked to adaptability. Every project, mistake, or challenge provides an opportunity to refine techniques and enhance efficiency. By reflecting on outcomes, analyzing what worked or failed, and applying lessons learned, professionals strengthen their skill set in decision-making. Continuous improvement also ensures consistency, a highly valued trait by employers and clients. Innovation is another aspect of growth. Professionals who embrace new tools, methods, or technologies improve performance, increase efficiency, and expand possibilities. Innovation requires courage to try new approaches, coupled with a solid foundation of standards and skills. Those who innovate responsibly maintain safety, uphold quality, and contribute positively to their field. By embracing continuous learning, adaptability, and innovation, professionals ensure long-term relevance, career growth, and a lasting impact on their industry. These qualities turn challenges into opportunities and mistakes into lessons, fostering both personal mastery and professional excellence. Long-term success is the result of skill mastery, ethical practice, continuous learning, and leadership. True mastery goes beyond technical ability. It combines experience, judgment, adaptability, and problem-solving. Master professionals perform complex tasks confidently, maintain high standards under pressure, and teach others to uphold the same principles. Legacy is the lasting impact a professional leaves on their field. It is built through mentoring, sharing knowledge, and inspiring excellence in others. Professionals who contribute to the growth of their team, improve standards, and promote safety create influence that continues long after individual projects are completed. A meaningful legacy enhances personal satisfaction and professional reputation. Career fulfillment comes from seeing the results of your efforts, knowing your work is safe, reliable, and respected. Completing projects successfully, guiding others, and continuously improving fosters pride and confidence. Fulfillment is strengthened when your skills, ethics, and leadership contribute positively to others and to the industry as a whole.